Hello children, welcome to CA practical class. First of all, I will tell you how to install Scratch software. So students, this is the icon of the Scratch software. I have downloaded from the internet. You can also download different versions of Scratch from the internet. Okay, so you have to click on Scratch desktop setup. Double click. The firewall will ask whether to run the setup or not. You have to click on run. Then in this you can choose anyone who use this computer or your own install. The setup is going on. Students, Scratch is block programming language and there don't have to write the code, you have to simply drag the blocks. So it is fun doing practicals in Scratch. Okay, you can simply click on run Scratch desktop and click finish. This is the screen that appears. So students, you can see these are blocks. Okay, this area is known as block palette. Okay, you can see these are motion blocks in blue color. Then violet looks, okay, to change the look of the object. Then sound blocks, event blocks, these are head type block. You can see blocks are used to start the program. Now control blocks, to control the flow of the blocks. These are sensing. Then operators, variables. In my blocks you can create your own blocks, and see some of the blocks are not available. You can see pen blocks are not available, so you have to click on this icon. Okay, add extension is written over here. You can see at the bottom left, click on add extension. Here you can see various icons which are not available over there, so you can choose pen block and then you will be able to see pen blocks over here. So when you install the software, if you are not able to see pen blocks, so then you have to click on add extension icon. Now students, this is sprite and this is the script area. Okay, this in the center, this is script area. Wherever there is a sprite, you can see this is stage. Now from here you can choose a sprite, new sprite. You can choose a sprite, or you can paint a sprite, or you can simply surprise, or you can upload a sprite. Here choose a backdrop. Backdrop means background of this stage area. Wherever our sprite is, that's background area is backdrop. Okay, you can choose a backdrop, then you can paint, then you can surprise, or you can upload backdrop. The first one is to draw pentagon. So for that you have to click on head type block. First of all you have to go in events category. Okay, in events category you can see when green flag clicked. Okay, the program is also already given in your textbook. You can see those programs and then you can practice. So students, first of all in events category you have to choose the head type block when green flag clicked. Okay, so here different blocks also you can see when space key pressed. So when you will choose this block, then when you will press a space key, then the program will start. Okay, so there are different options you can choose from here. So here I am selecting when green flag clicked. You can see here there is the green flag to see the output. Then after that, from pen block you can choose clear or erase all. Clear is not given, this is the latest version, so you can choose erase all. Pen down. Okay, when the sprite will move, it will draw something. Control. Okay, if you have to repeat something. Okay, so to draw the pentagon you can say the shape is a regular shape. Okay, there is 5 equal sides in pentagon, 5 equal sides, and you know very well that in a circle there is angle from 0 to 360 degree. Okay, so here we have to take repeat block first of all, as the sprite will move 0 to 360 degree, then we have to tell the sprite that how much it has to draw a line, okay, and then how it has to change the angle. First of all, students, you can see here, you can open calculator, and then there you can see 360 divided by 5 equals to 72. That means the sprite has to turn 72 degree. Got it? As there is in total 360 degrees in a complete angle, so you have to divide 360 by 5 and then you will get 72. That means the sprite will make 72 degree turn, okay, after drawing a line. Your repeat will be 5 times. First of all, the repeat will be 5 times, okay, as we are drawing pentagon. Then after that, move. Here you can write any number of steps. I am taking 120. And then after that, turn 15 degrees, this one, okay. Here you write 72. How you got 72? 360 divided by 5. Repeat 5 you have written because in pentagon there are 5 sides, so after drawing a side it will again repeat the step, okay. So in total the step will be repeated 5 times. You can click on this icon, full screen, okay, and then you can click on the green flag. You can see the sprite has drawn a pentagon. So all of you try this practical at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.